Victory dawns before the bell, in quiet pre-market calm. Welcome back. Today we are walking through a professional pre-market routine for ES futures, specifically designed for the NinjaTrader 8 platform. This routine is built to be efficient, taking just 20 minutes to complete. But we will break it down so you can master it. Our goal is simple: to build a clear, actionable trading plan so you can execute with absolute confidence when the market opens. Let's jump into the platform and start by checking for landmines. Before looking at any charts, check your financial calendars. Look for high-impact events like CPI, PPI, FOMC, or major employment reports that could trigger massive volatility in the ES. If a red folder event is scheduled for 8:30 a.m. Eastern, make a note to wait for the data to clear before trading. Once the calendar is clear, open your daily chart in NinjaTrader. Our objective here is to identify the long-term market bias. Ask yourself, who is in control? Are we in a clear uptrend, a downtrend, or are we stuck in a multi-week trading range? Draw your major daily support and resistance levels. Knowing these key zones prevents you from fighting the dominant market tide. Look closely at yesterday's candlestick. Was it a strong trend day or a doji showing indecision? This sets the tone for today. Now, move to step 2, analyzing the overnight session. In NinjaTrader, ensure your template differentiates between the RTH and Globex sessions. The Globex market shows us what the big money did while the US slept. This is crucial for understanding current sentiment. Mark 4 critical price levels: the Globex high and low, and yesterday's RTH high and low. These are your primary liquidity pools. Price will frequently test these boundaries to trap early traders before reversing, or break through them to ignite a new trend. Take your horizontal line tool in NinjaTrader. Mark these 4 points, and label them clearly so they are visible on your execution chart. Step 3 is mapping market structure using volume profile. Price shows where the market went, but volume shows where it accepted value. Identify the point of control, or POC. This is the price level where the most volume occurred, acting like a magnet for price. If price opens near the POC, expect choppy rotational behavior. If we open outside the value area, expect a strong directional trend. Now, move to step 4, setting up your execution grid. We shift to a 2000 tick chart to filter out noise and see true momentum. Overlay your VWAP with standard deviation bands. This is your line in the sand. Above VWAP we bias long, below it we bias short. Add the Cumulative Delta panel at the bottom. This tracks the net difference between aggressive market buyers and sellers in real time. Finally, use a level 2 trade indicator to plot large block orders and bid. Ask imbalances directly on your candlesticks. This visualizes where institutional size is stepping into the auction, giving you a massive edge over retail traders. Now, let's build your if-then scenarios. Do not guess where the market will go. Prepare for what you will do when it gets there. For scenario A, the institutional absorption long, watch for price to drive lower into yesterday's low or the Globex low. Look for massive sell blocks on your level 2 indicator that failed to push price lower, indicating that passive buyers are absorbing the sell pressure. If Cumulative Delta spikes positive and price crosses back above the VWAP, that is your trigger to enter a long position. For scenario B, the VWAP reject short, watch for a gap up that fails to hold momentum as the market approaches the open. If price breaks below the VWAP and fails a retest, look for heavy sell imbalances at the line on your level 2 tool. If Cumulative Delta makes a sharp new low, short the rejection, targeting the lower VWAP band or the overnight point of control. The final step is mindset. Step away from the screen, get a glass of water, and take a few deep breaths before the bell. Turn off your charting brain and turn on your execution brain. Your job is to manage risk and execute your edge with discipline. If the market does not give you one of your pre-planned scenarios, do nothing. Sitting on your hands is a valid trading position. Save your NinjaTrader workspace, trust your preparation, and let the market come to you. You are now ready for the session. If you found this routine helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with your favorite indicator.